unhook the tables from the rails. These already are. Lift off. And then fold the table leg down. Do the same with the other one. Then with the brackets, it doesn't matter if it's on the driver's side or the passenger side. Rest the edge on the rail and then place that down onto the rail again on this side. Sometimes when they're new, the brackets it can be quite tight there. If you lift it up and bring the table in line and then rest them down together, it should fit in there. Same with this side. And then the cushions, lay them across, and then that's the back bit of the bed. So first take off the headrest. Pull the handle to tip it forwards. Push on the front and pull here, and it will rotate. Once it's rotated fully, slide it as far back as it can go. And then fold the seat down. Then put the wedge pack there. Now